Okay, the next test that I'm going to do is to try the outside aerial. So this is the radio Jove aerial, which we've got a dual dipole up. It's only about 2 meters off the ground for practical purposes for testing. But it does have the phasing cable between the two aspects of it, so it's quite a large array outside. I'd expect a difference in the signal intensity. So if you, so I'm going to reset this now directly up to 12 o'clock on the settings. So it's on the tuner knob, it's directly up to 12 o'clock at the top there, with the white dot right at the top. So now if we look at the screen, and we just get a bit closer than that. A bit closer, Reese. Hold your camera. A bit closer so we can just get an idea of the signal intensity on there. So that's the signal at the moment without any aerial connected at full gain on the receiver. And now plugging in the aerial, it's spiking a bit. Just look at the screen. It's spiking a bit as I put in the aerial. But in fact, aha! This is interesting because it looks like a definite difference in signal. We are in the middle of the day compared to the other day when we first tried this. I was doing it in the middle of the night. I wonder if that makes a difference, or whether I've actually tuned it better. Ah, that is interesting. So the signal, bearing in mind that this is now all between 392 at the top and minus 98 at the bottom on radio SkyPipe, you can see there that the signal has gone up a little bit. Do you want to just hold that there, Reese? Video, and keep it stable on there. And I'm going to just remove the aerial again. Just remove the aerial again. So we're taking off the outside aerial. Keep it steady there, Reese. Just see whether this, see whether the signal drops down again.
It has, yes.
And the signal's dropped down again. Keep it steady on there, Reese. Let me just reconnect the aerial up again. See whether it goes back up again.
Yes, it does.
And it goes back up. Aha! So this is, I'm quite excited here because it looks like the first time that we seem to be able to demonstrate a definite difference in signal with and without the aerial. That's great news, and I wonder whether that now means that confirming that the radio Jove is in fact working. And I suppose the next question is that difference in signal intensity at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on the 4th of June 2012, Jubilee celebration days here in the UK, as you could hear from the sounds on the television next door with the various fanfares for the Queen. But given that it's an extremely cloudy day outside and quite cold, whether that's what the sort of difference that we would expect to pick up, and whether there are any further tests at this moment in time that we ought to be performing.